you may be referring to the Spotlight poster session we have tomorrow, which is a really interesting mix. Number one, I can't tell you how excited I am that San Antonio now has a dedicated poster discussion session for imaging. That's a wonderful development. We're going to be covering 3 topics on that. The first has to do with healthcare disparities, and in particular looking at a couple of very interesting abstracts about access to screening, increasing access to screening, the effectiveness of screening as a function of people's race, as a function of where they live. And so that will be the first part of the discussion. The second part of the discussion is a series of studies using a variety of imaging methods, mostly PET and MRI, that is used not so much to detect cancer, but how to guide its treatment. And in particular, there are features from the imaging and the ability to measure response at early time points that are tools that are emerging more and more as a way not only to find cancers, but to figure out how to treat them. And so I'm very excited to see that combination coming tomorrow. Finally, at the end of the session, we have 2 papers on the use of radiomics and artificial intelligence in imaging, including doing a better job at diagnosis, better utilization of diagnosis, and some of these also have healthcare delivery and racial disparities implications. So it's a 3 parts to a somewhat integrated imaging session that are tackling at least some of the really exciting developments in imaging that are happening in breast cancer.